Hello, I'm Martha Reyes, Senior Research Analyst at Fidelity Digital Assets. In this About Stablecoin series, my colleague Matt Hogan and I will demystify stablecoins from the ground up. Stablecoins started off as a niche instrument for crypto traders, but they're rapidly becoming one of the most practical building blocks for the next phase of finance on the blockchain. We'll look back to the early days of crypto to see how volatility created demand for a digital asset designed to hold its own. Next, we'll break down how stablecoins work and we'll identify what differentiates them from other digital assets like Bitcoin and Ether. From there, we'll explore real-world use cases and what's driving growing institutional interest. No review is complete without addressing key risks, from issuer and custody considerations to liquidity and regulation, and what can help mitigate them. To wrap up, we'll look ahead to what's next for stablecoins and what their evolution could mean for the future of financial markets. Whether you're new to stablecoins or looking to sharpen your understanding, this series is designed to review them clearly and concisely. You can continue watching to start with how stablecoins came into existence.